الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Assalamu alaikum, dear Muminina and Muminat. Surah Al-Baqarah, ayat number 253. Allah declares in this ayat that prophets are not equal in honor and respect. Some of them are greater than the others. So the people who claim that all prophets are on the same status and footing are wrong. Those people of wrong understanding cite the verse number 285 as reference in favor of their claim, wherein it is said, La nufarriku baina ahadim min rusulihi, which means we don't discriminate among the prophets. They are wrong again, because this ayat tells about the Iman, not about the honor of the prophets. The Mu'minina and Mu'minat declare that they do not discriminate among the prophets, means Iman on all prophets is equal. It does not mean that prophets are of equal honor. We the Muslims have faith in all the prophets without any discrimination. But we also believe that they are not equal, as it is said in 253. Thank you all for patient hearing. Allah Hafiz.